Hi, this is DIYNate Fixes Stuff, our first episode ever, and I really appreciate my little camera girl, Paige, helping me out with this. So today I'm going to tell you about an issue I came across with my refrigerator. I'll post a video on how I learned using YouTube to actually do the full fix, but what I found out was I tried fixing all kinds of different parts of this refrigerator to get the Icemaker working. The Icemaker stopped working, and I found out through trial and tribulation that I had to replace lots of different things, and in reality all I needed to replace was this one simple part, the Icemaker valve. This is what it looks like, and this is the old one. So I swapped this out and everything started working again, but unfortunately I had already tried several other fixes before. So this type of refrigerator is a Maytag, and the brand, the model number is an MFI2665XEM7. And what you can see in the back here, behind a panel, this is where the water valve goes. And it's a really simple install. You just pull these water lines out and you attach the two electrical clips and you're good to go. It's about a $20 or $30 repair. You can buy this stuff on Amazon or eBay. But I had already replaced the Icemaker line. I took that out thinking that was the fix. I replaced the water filter thinking that was the fix. And on the back of the refrigerator, I replaced the water inlet valve as well. So all three of those fixes I did before I replaced this, and all I had to do was replace this one simple item. So long story short, start with this if your filter is not getting water, or if your Icemaker is not getting water. Within the Icemaker, in here, you actually have a Icemaker unit behind all of this. Let's get a shot of this right there, in there. If it's not filling with water, then you know the issue is not actually the Icemaker probably. It's going to be something like the water valve over there. So really all we had to do was fill this with a little bit of water and see if the Icemaker cycles. If it cycles, then you know your problem isn't the Icemaker, it's probably in this thing here. And it would have saved me a lot of trouble if I had started there instead of doing 3 or 4 other fixes, ordering a lot of parts and pieces prior to that. So with that, I am going to post a link to a very helpful video that I saw on YouTube that actually explained how to